in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create named functions on your Google Docs spreadsheets. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Google Docs spreadsheet, and then you want to select the Data tab at the top, and then going down here, you want to select where it says Named Function. Select that, and you can select the Add New Function at the bottom or Import Functions as well. Type in a description if you want. You can also type in a definition for the formula, and then Next, and then Create, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.